Here is the latest winter weather product. Winter storm warning in effect from 2 p.m. Saturday to 2 a.m. Sunday. The Regional Weather Service in Sinnoh has issued a winter storm warning for snow across the northern Mount Coronet Mountains in Sinnoh, which is in effect from 2 p.m. Saturday to 2 a.m. Sunday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. 12 to 18 inches of snow is expected by Saturday night across the northern Mount Coronet Mountains of Sinnoh. Snow will begin this afternoon and continue through the day Saturday before tapering off early Sunday morning. For a period of time on Saturday, very poor visibilities with rapid snowfall accumulations will occur. This will be a heavy wet snow, which may cause power outages and down tree limbs. Please stay tuned to Weather Radio, your local media, or visit the Regional Weather Service Sinnoh website for further updates on this weather situation. Here is the latest winter weather product. Blizzard warning in effect until 2 a.m. Sunday. The Regional Weather Service in Sinnoh has issued a blizzard warning across the northern Mount Coronet Mountains, which is in effect until 2 a.m. Sunday. The winter storm warning is no longer in effect. Snow will continue across the region and will be heavy at times this afternoon and this evening. This will result in total snow accumulations of 20 to 28 inches by early Sunday morning. North winds will also be increasing this afternoon and tonight, resulting in significant blowing and drifting snow and blizzard conditions as winds gust to 50 miles per hour or slightly higher. Near zero visibility and heavy snow and blowing snow, combined with very cold temperatures, will result in very hazardous conditions this afternoon and tonight. This is a dangerous winter weather situation. Be aware that travel will become increasingly difficult across Sinnoh Route 217 due to developing blizzard conditions, with heavy snow and blowing and drifting snow. Do not travel this afternoon or tonight unless it is absolutely necessary. Please stay tuned to Weather Radio, your local media, or visit the Regional Weather Service Sinnoh website for further updates on this weather situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Forest Service Mount Coronet Avalanche Center. The Mount Coronet Avalanche Center in Snowpoint City has issued a backcountry avalanche warning. Timing, in effect from 6 p.m. this evening until 6 a.m. Sunday. Affected area, the northern range of Mount Coronet. Avalanche danger, the avalanche danger for the warned area is high. Reasons/impacts, heavy snow and wind are combining to overload a very weak snowpack. Large natural and human-triggered avalanches are likely. Very dangerous avalanche conditions exist. Stay off of and out from below steep slopes steeper than about 30 degrees. Avalanches can be triggered from below into the sides of steeper slopes. Consult the Mount Coronet Avalanche Center website for more detailed information. Similar avalanche danger may exist at locations outside the coverage area of this or any avalanche center.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Acuity Lakefront ASI, Route 216-5, Route 217-5, beginning at 9:30 p.m. and ending at 11:30 p.m. Score/FM. Travel across northern Sinnoh has become very dangerous due to heavy snow and poor visibility. Emergency responders are having difficulty reaching numerous stranded travelers. In addition, the Coronet Avalanche Center has reported many large avalanches crossing into Sinnoh Route 217. Do not travel unless absolutely necessary. All resources are being used to reach stranded travelers. Severe winter weather conditions are expected to linger into early Sunday, with roads becoming impassable. Do not travel. Doing so put your life at risk. The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Acuity Lakefront ASI, Route 216-5, Route 217-5, beginning at 11:13 p.m. and ending at 1:43 a.m. Traveling is extremely hazardous tonight on all roads in northern Sinnoh. If you become stranded, emergency vehicles may not be able to reach you. If you are stranded, do not panic. Call for help or activate your Versus Seeker every 10 minutes and seek cover from the snow if possible.